Breaking news. Thank you for tuning in to this intraday report of the VULCAN report. We have a lot of things going on. As you can see, we are hitting new all-time highs in the gold futures market. We hit so far intraday high today of 1587.5, which brings into play 1600. Silver is up $2.43. We hit a high of 38.27 so far. The euro is on absolute fire, up 133 pips after hitting 141.45. Looking at the US dollar, it is just collapsing, down as much as 90 cents today. We hit a low of 75.48.5 as a result of the dollar pulling back. We also have a situation where this is helping the commodities to explode. Crude oil is up almost $1 right now. 98.39 is the current level. We have soybeans up 16.75. We have corn up 23.25. We have wheat up 33. We basically put in the lows now in the grains, and I expect that we should see several limit up days in a row coming ahead here. Also getting a lift is coffee. Coffee up $7 right now. Awesome move there. Cocoa is now up 118, just exploding out of nowhere. We have sugar, which was down earlier, now up 65, and cotton up 156 at 105.95. The meats are really getting a lift here. Live cattle up 80 right now, and the hogs up 177, and we expect some limit up days within the next few days coming up here in the meats as well. Pretty much across the board, commodities should really start taking off from here as we see inflation start to rear its ugly head. And as I'm doing this video now, the euro is making another run at the highs, and the US dollar is making another run at its lows. And the NASDAQ is strong today, up 30 in the cash, up 27.25 in the futures right now. And we're just on fire here across the board. Also, in breaking news, this is amazing. We just found out today, according to Ben Bernanke, that gold is not money. So that means that all you gold and silver bugs have been wrong. Gold and silver is not money. Per Ben Bernanke, the head of the Fed, he just said that gold is not money. When Ron Paul asked him, is gold money? He said no. Gold is an asset like a U.S. Treasury. He said it's not money. So gold is not money. Silver is not money. When Ron Paul continued to ask him and say, well, why don't you include diamonds in the Fed monetary policy? He didn't know what to say at that point. Ben was shaking in his boots. But according to the Fed, gold is not money. So that's why gold is headed up toward $1,600 an ounce, because it's not money. Okay, so basically what we need to do is all call Ben Bernanke and ask him if we can have his gold, and if he can just give it up, whatever gold and silver he's holding. If he can just go ahead and release it to the general public, that'll be great. Since it's not money, it's just an asset. Anything can be determined an asset. Old baseball cards can be considered an asset. Basically, an asset only holds value based on what other people deem it to be. So sort of like a rare painting or something. That's basically what he said. So basically, he just admitted that the U.S. dollar, everything that the Fed is printing, our U.S. Treasuries is not real. Okay, and then he went on to say gold is not real. So he really thinks that people are an idiot. But the American people are not idiots. Gold and silver is money and nothing else. Always has been, always will be. You've heard me talk about it time and time again. Because it's a market, it's subject to market forces of going up and down. They can run the price up and down any way they want. They can collapse it. So you've heard me warn and be cautious. Learn to take profits along the way, because if you just hold it and walk away, you're going to get crushed. Anyway, just wanted to put that out there. Gold is not money, according to the Federal Reserve.